would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share